Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Alright, so we gotta kind of be quiet here, but I'm with Eddie, Avery, and Tommy.
Subscribe to my channel.
Eddie Botos. B-O-T-O-S. We're gonna hide, and the thing is this, it's pitch black in here, and it's so scary, because it's just scary, but we're, dude, like you can't even see. Time to be alone tonight. High five, guys, for good luck. High five. High five. We're good.
Okay guys, so I'm it. Guys, I'm thinking that they could be out on here. I'm not sure. Oh!
You suck at filming. For real.
So, don't know if Eddie is on the roof. Don't shine the light outside yet or not. I have no clue. Oh, he's found it.
Oh no. Done counting.
This is legit scary. Where did they go?
What's up, guys?
Huh? Who did you see first?
I'll have to eeny, meeny, miny, mo on that one. Neeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger, mice toe. If he hollers, let him go. My mom says to pick the very best one, and you are not it.
I'm it.
Yeah, boy! And well, we gotta find Caden. Yeah, he's going down. Ready or not, here I come.
Alright, so I'm it now. Gotta go find Caden and Tommy. Dude, it's so freaky. They have to be in this room.
No, I heard you go, I was so freaked out, and I was like, oh shoot, that's my perfect time.
That was so scary.
Why are there noises
Dude, everybody keeps scaring me. Avery now. Dude, she's probably gonna jump out at me. Dude, I'm so scared to go in there. Ah! Oh my god!
YMCA. Yo! I'm about to find all these people. It's about to be easy. Don't make me. Excuse me, sir?
I scared the crap out of it. Oh my god, that was so funny.
It's fun to stop me now.
You're officially gay.
It scared me. You retard. Alright, change plans. Avery said she would go. She's a turd. She has a turd in her, actually. She really needs to go.
Okay, guys, it's my turn now. So, okay.
I have no clue.
What did you say to me?
Oh my god, you scared the crap out of me.
Do.
Okay. So we found Tommy.
Yes.
Now we just need to find the others. Okay, I'm afraid to go in there because I feel like I'm afraid. Are they like downstairs or something? Did they go downstairs?
No.
I'm sure they're not downstairs.
Yes.
Oh.
Are you serious, Matt?
She went around this like 500 times.
Dude, we didn't go downstairs. Ready or not, here. Hey, Lisa's here. Dude, how did you not see me when you...
What the?
What the?
Boss, now I'm upstairs, boy.
Hey.
Oh.
Dude, why would you pop out like that? I just found this bowl. I found that bowl. You're a boy, right? No.
So
Dude,
you found
Avery.
us 'cause we hid in the
Alright. Alright, Avery, listen. You need to hide on your own. No matter how scared you are, you need to hide
I'm
on your
not
own.
scared.
Well, then go hide on your own. Eddie, you need to hide on your own. My name's Bake.
Guys, so I'm it. Gotta go looking for one.
Yeah.
I actually don't know. Oh my god. So Avery's right there. Yeet! Yeet!
Hey, Vsauce here.
I already found Avery. Where's she doing? Where's she doing, Mike?
Hey, Vsauce.
Okay, guys, it's my turn.
What the guy?
Oh, hi. Okay. So, I'm thinking. Hi.
I should have chosen a different spot. This was so long. Hey, Vsauce.
I'm gonna find Daddy.
That's scary.
Scare me.
Alright, so that was the last.
Yo, just to show you, we didn't go into the basement, and here's why. Dude, I'm the first man, and there can be a rapist down here, y'all. Because this is a big old open space. Like there's that in there that's still open to the basement, and then there's this room right in here. Like it's open. So that's why we did not do that. Alright, bye-bye house.